Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram automatically closes. To know how to fix Instagram automatically closes, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps. Here default app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will go to full stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi like this, as you see here, so that you can know how to fix Instagram automatically closes. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.